A basketball in my hands is worth about 7 BD. A basketball in Michael Jordan's hands is worth about 12.5 million BD. It depends whose hands it's in. A football with me is worth about 2 BD. A football with Messi is worth about 20 million BD. It depends whose hands it's in. A cricket bat in my hand is worth about 5 BD. A cricket bat in Sachin's hands is worth about 15 million BD. It depends whose hands it's in. A rod in my hands will keep away a wild animal. A rod in Moses' hands will part the mighty sea. It depends whose hands it's in. A slingshot in my hands is a kid's toy. A slingshot in David's hands is a mighty weapon. It depends whose hands it's in. A cup of water will be plain water in my hands, but will be the best wine in Jesus' hands. 2 fish and 5 loaves of bread in my hands is a couple of fish sandwiches. 2 fish and 5 loaves of bread in God's hands will feed thousands. It depends whose hands it is. As you see now, it depends whose hands it's in. So put yourself in the Lord's hands. Your concerns, your worries, your hopes, your dreams, your families, and your relationships in the Lord's hands, because when you are in the Lord's hands, in Christ alone, by grace, through faith, He will make the normal you an ambassador and royal people, from that empty vessel to the most fruitful and blessed one. It depends whose hands it's in.